everyone is talking about the loop engineering. People are saying like prompt engineering is changing, software engineering is changing, AI agents are like writing code, running test, reviewing like pull request, and even maintaining repositories. But here's the real question, like again, who make sure that AI agents are reliable? Because if like human DevOps engineer makes a mistake, then we can review it. If an SRE misses an alert, then we can improve the runbook. But if an AI agent is running a loop, calling tools, changing code, and touching infrastructure and making decision faster than humans can track, then we need a new discipline. And that is the discipline is ARE, Agent Reliability Engineering.